It's early evening, and the people meet their friends, celebrating the birthday, take an after-work drink like see the bands. Some like only the liquor, and some are addicted, and everyone is wondering why there is liquor ban. One shot, two shots, three shots, and a never-ending shot by shot.
The people are getting wilder and louder. The band changed the beat, rhythm, and genre. Yeah, let's rock the night.
Let's rock the night. Let's rock the night.
And the alcohol ban is definitely coming.
One shot, two shots, three shots, and short before midnight, the bartender shout out, hey! Hey waiter, last order.
Last order, please.
The people order last drinks. One shot, two shots, three shots, and the liquor ban is coming closer and closer. Some already left the location. One clock is closing and the police is already at the main door. Last chance to get out legally. One shot, two shots, three shots, and it's already liquor ban. Many people move to a private ground. Private ground is like another country, and they like, give me a stamp in my passport. How drunk they must be. Oh wow. Coming up. One more shot, two more shots, three more shots, two more shots, till the sun coming up.
No more shots,
no more fun.
That's the liquor ban.
That's the liquor ban.
Till the new ban will
start again in public places. Liquor ban.
Come on.
Liquor ban. Liquor ban.
Yeah.